Dear students, I welcome you all for today's CAD CAM class. In this class, I am going to explain about the numerical control NC and CNC and DNC. Okay, okay. So coming to the topic related to the numerical control NC. So numerical control is a form of programmable automation. Okay, numerical control is a form of programmable automation in which a machine is controlled by numbers and symbols that have been coded and punched on the punched paper tape or an alternative storage medium. Okay, mainly in NC numerical control, mainly is a one type of programmable automation. So we know that automation. What is automation? Automation means like to make any process. Okay, to work with less human intervention or with no human intervention, then such type of thing will call it as the automation. So this numerical control is a one such type of a programmable automation where we can control any machine by using a program. Okay, we can reduce the human work by using this NC machine. So here we are going to use a one program to control the machine. The here whatever the program that we are going to use, that program can be coded by using a punched paper tape or some any other alternative storage medium. So mainly the first this main concept numerical control was first proposed by John Parsons in 1940. Okay, mainly he retrofitted one milling cutter into a numerical control machine. So he is the first person who proposed this concept, and during his invention, he retrofitted a milling cutter into a NC. So by using the NC codes, he controlled the milling cutter. So that is the first innovation related to the NC. The latter, after the development of in computers, then the people use the computers connected to the NC. Then such type of things comes under the CNC, computer numerical control. Okay, where the different microprocessors related microcomputers are replaced like integrated circuits. Instead of that, here in CNC there is microprocessor based mini computers or microcomputers are used to control the machine. Okay, these are the different, you can say, components related to the traditional NC. Okay, these are the different components. You can see that mainly already mentioned that to develop any product, okay, to perform any NC machining. Okay, first we have to develop a part program. Okay, so for that we have to whatever the part drawing is there, whether it is two-dimensional, three-dimensional part drawing. By seeing that, we have to develop the part program. So by using the this particular drawing, we have to develop the part program, and after that this whatever the program is there, that program will be typed by using the tape punch. Okay, and tape punch writer. Okay, and that will whatever the program of instructions are there, that will be punch over the tape punch. Okay, and after that this particular whatever the tape is there, okay, that tape reader will be inserted in the tape reader. Okay, and a controller. So these tape reader and controller, it will the tape reader, it will read the program of instruction. Accordingly, the controller will guide the NC machine. This is the NC machine. These are the important components related to the normal conventional NC system. Mainly, we require a like punched tape. That punched tape over the punched tape will like punch the different program of instruction. Okay, like it will the punched whatever the punching machine is there, that it will be like a type machine. That type machine is also known the flexo writer. By using that we can punch the NC codes, and whatever the tape punch, that inputted tape punch will be like inserted in the tape reader, and after that the instruction will be read by the tape reader, and that as per the read instruction, the controller will as per the different movements requirement. Okay, it will guide the NC machine and such a way that this it will perform the machining by means using this NC machine. So that is about the how this particular different components they will work, and how they will be used, and how they are performed during the NC machining. The So coming to the advantages, the it is the whenever you are using the NC, you will have the better control of the tool motion under the optimum cutting conditions. Okay, compared to the manual operation, whenever you are controlling the machine by using these NC systems, this the proper optimum tool conditions you can use during the machining. And due to that optimum machining conditions, always you can that the CNC systems can produce the quality and products, and the repeatability also very high. And there will be reduced tooling cost, tool wear, and job setup times if you are using the NC system. And there will be a reduced time to manufacture the parts. Whenever if you are using these NCs, then it will reduce the time to manufacture the parts. And also because whenever you are automating the process, it will increase the accuracy and repeatability. Due to that, we can reduce the scrap during the use like machining by using these NC systems. And also is better production planning and placement of the machining operation if you are using these particular NC systems. Coming to the limitations, the first the because the if I want to procure these NC systems, it will require high amount of investment. So high investment cost, and also high maintenance cost. And also because to program and to set up these NC systems, we require a skilled operator. So it requires a skilled operator, and for that we have to give some specialized training to the operator, to how to write the program, and how to operate the machine, and how to set the workpieces during the machining. For that we have to give some special training to the operator. Then only he can able to operate the machine in a better way. So and otherwise, if in NC system, when compared to the CNC, the main disadvantage in the NC is because we are using the punch to tape. So these there may be the punch tape may tear, or maybe it may wear. So that is the disadvantage in NC system. And if any mistake is done during the input giving, during the punching of the instructions for the punch tape, then again it will be again we have to then but that punch tape will be we won't use again, because there is a mistakes are happen. Due to that, again we have to use another new tape, and again we have to give the input from the start. That is the disadvantage we are using the normal NC system. And also there is no optional feed and speed. When compared to this CNCs, there will be no optional feed and speed in this particular system. Coming to the next topic, that is the computer numerical control. So in NC, you've seen that where we use the punched tape to give the program of instruction. Okay, there will be a tear during the operation, or due to the continuous operation the tape may get weird. So to avoid that, and also due to the high usage of computers after 1940s, the people started to use these CNC like computers in the numerical control. So high-end computers, they are connected to this numerical control. So they use the dedicated computer to control the different movements during the machining. So when compared to this NC, because these computers will have their own like storage. Depending upon the capacity, we can store huge amount of data if you are using this CNC. Okay, these are the components related to the CNC. Okay, here you can see that there will be a you can see that this is the machine, NC machine. Okay, and there is this one is the MCU, that is a mission control unit. Here it is some computer control is there in this MCU, mission control unit. This MCU will get the instructions. So this whatever the part is there, okay, as per the part drawing, NC program, okay, will be written by using the G codes and M codes. I will explain what is G codes and M codes later. This program will be given as input to this MCU, mission control unit. Then this particular mission control unit will interpret these instructions. It will read the instructions and it will control the different movements, okay, related to the this particular NC machine. So this is a uh, tool changer. Here there will be different number of tools will be there according to the code. It will this automatic tool changer will rotate, and as per the given M code we can change the tool, and it can perform the operation. Okay, so here in the picture we can fix the workpiece, and once the MCU will read the code, and after that will interpret the instructions. Okay, and accordingly it will perform the different movements during the machining, and it will remove the material during the machining process. That is how this particular CNC system is going to work. Coming to the advantages, CNC machines can be used continuously. Okay, and you can manufacture different variety products, you can manufacture, and also even less skilled operator can by give the proper training how to operate the machine and how to program. Okay, then even by that training, even you can make everyone to operate the CNC machine. Okay, when compared to the conventional machining, that because in conventional machining the human operator he have to control the tool path, but here that tool path control is eliminated, because the tool path and different tool movements and work, these all things movements are controlled by the NC CNC. That's why compared to conventional, that skill required is less, but we require some skill to operate the CNC machine and how to program that different part programs. For that operator may require skill. Okay, and CNC machine can be updated by improving the software. So because whatever the company, whatever the company CNC machine you procure, that companies may release updates, and we can update those softwares, and accordingly you can update the software. And also yeah, this particular CNC systems will provide that environment, okay, virtual environment, where you can check the simulation, toolpath simulation. If the toolpath simulation is correct, then accordingly we can start the CNC machining process. That is the one of the advantages. Okay, and also this particular CNC systems will provide the flexibility towards the designer or manufacturing engineer, such a way that they can check the different simulations accordingly. They can produce change the designs, and they can manufacture the different products. That is the one of the advantage. Okay, coming to the limitations, CNC machines are more expensive because the high-end computer systems and their different types of sensors and mission control units are used. So these all things are connected with the high amount of cost. So high investment is required if you want to install the CNC. That is the major disadvantage. Okay, and also these CNC systems, because entirely automated this processes, because there is a high amount of automation is there, because due to that it will can lead to the unemployment. That is also one limitation if you are using these automated systems. And coming to the final topic, that is the direct numerical control. In the DNC system, there will be a central file server will be there. Okay, by the central file server will be connected to the different machines. There we can see that there is a different number of lathe machines and different number of milling machines. They are connected to the file server. Then these there will be one or some group of mission control units will be there that will control these different individual lathe machines or milling machines. Then such type of system will call it as the direct numerical control. So this is how can see that how the DNC system will be required. This particular, there will be two different numerical CNC systems are there. So by using the network, they connected to the different file server. We can transfer the program to this particular machine, and this CNC system may work according to that program of instruction. That is how this particular direct numerical control, or you can say distributed numerical control, is going to perform. Okay, that like that these I explained about the different topics related to the direct numerical control, CNC and NC. So hope you understand about this particular topic. Thank you.